I'm David Gerard, and this is Pivot to AI. Today, we get into the practical side of vibe coding. Vibe coding, isn't that a great name, is when you tell a large language model to write your computer code for you, and you just run the results, and you don't even look at the code. Sure sounds like a fun experiment, but it's going to have some hazards if you do it in production out on the large and hostile internet. Leonel is a serial entrepreneur, which you might think was a euphemism for unemployed and sort of questionable. He's a huge advocate of vibe coding. Leo proudly announced Enrich Lead, which is a tool that claims to collect sales leads for you from your website. Quote, "My SaaS was built with Cursor, zero handwritten code. AI is no longer just an assistant. It's also the builder. Now you can continue to whine about it or start building." Unquote. Leo says, "I feel it's not that hard for me since I have been around devs for quite some time." Cool. The trouble is, AI-generated code is famously full of bugs and security holes, so everyone promptly dived onto Enrich Lead to see what they could do to it. 2 days later, Leo posted, "Guys, I'm under attack. Random things are happening." Oh no! If only Leo knew anything about coding. Sadly, as you know, I'm not technical, so this is taking me longer than usual to figure out. You use Enrich Lead by dropping a piece of JavaScript onto your website. This collects the reader's IP address. The LLM then claims to turn this into a sales lead. This is not enough data to get meaningful information about any person browsing your website, so since it's an LLM, it makes it up. But Leo insists it works though. Thankfully, Leo says he will be learning to code. He's, quote, learned the hard way, unquote. Maybe he'll actually try. Vibe coding is a complete fraud. It's a way for business guys to pretend they don't need those annoying techies anymore. It's a symptom of terminal startup brain. The Y Combinator venture capital firm, home of Hacker News, your favourite site for temporarily embarrassed billionaires, is extremely into vibe coding. Then the startup guys find out what Leo found out. There's no substitute for knowing what the hell you're doing. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. If you liked this one, please vibe like and vibe scribe. And tell at least one other person about this post. Send a link to this video. If you want to bless us with money, this is what I have for an income right now, there's Patreon and Coffee links in the show notes. Thank you all, and bye for now.